All right, guys, let's get it going. Let's be fucking good. Let's be gravy. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Dave back at it with episode 5. And the current setting of episode 5 is whatever road this is, because I have no idea what the name of it is. I just know that it goes the way that we need to go. Today is a special video, one that I'm going to hold dear to my heart, because this is a group ride video, and I am leading the group ride. Obviously, that's why you can't see anybody in front of me, because they're all behind me. Today we are leading this group to the top of Cheehaw Mountain. I know we did Cheehaw before in episode 2, but this time I'm gonna try to do it right because my camera kept dying. I didn't really say a whole lot, so I cut a bunch of it out. But today we're actually going to go up to the very, very top of the mountain, hang out for a little bit. There are some like historical things up there, like back from the Great Depression days. And I would very much like to, walk around, do that. Sean's never been to the very top. He's never been up Cheehaw ever, actually, so at least as far as we know. And I want him to experience that because it's a really great road to ride when you're on a motorcycle. And Cheehaw holds a special place in my heart because that's where I learned how to ride. And I just want to share that with one of my good friends. I think he'll enjoy it. Actually, I'm hoping everybody enjoys it. But I think everybody here's been up Cheehaw at least once. I think Mike said he hasn't been up either. Either way, we're popping more cherries today. That's the point of the video. Excuse me. It's just COVID. Barbecue Shack. Pretty good. A little pricey if you ask me, but it's still good. It was right there. It was pretty close to where I used to live at, so I can't get too mad at it. Now, I know what most of y'all are thinking. That is my dad, and I am his son. Why am I on the cruiser and he's on the sport bike? Couldn't tell you, to be honest with you. Different strokes for different folks. Hell yeah, dude. I got this motherfucking thing on me. I'm really hoping I don't drop this motherfucker. Hey! God, I'm hoping I'm getting good video of this man. not to beat a dead horse, but this is one of the greatest things about riding a motorcycle, is the friends, the families, and it's just the relationships that you make while you're out on a motorcycle. Like this right now would not have happened with the regular interest that the four of us have independently. The risk of sounding, you know, cheesy, it is a brotherhood. It's a family. And I don't really care what you ride. Sport bike, cruiser, supermoto, dirt bike, DRZ, whatever the fuck it is that you ride, man. It doesn't matter. Not to me anyway. It matters to some, but not all of us. It doesn't matter what color you are, what race you came from, whether you were poor or rich growing up. We're all in the same boat, so to speak. I don't really fuck with boats. And I can tell that I have gotten way too used to riding the Vulcan because I have been riding with my feet on the highway pegs for the majority of this ride. The forward controls have spoiled me. Holy shit, a Pizza Hut. You don't see those very often, and that's sad to say.
Alright guys, we're here at the Pack-a-Sack. We filled up on gas, got snacks.
Slim Jims?
Yeah, for the Macho Man. We're gonna hang out here for a little bit so I can charge my camera, because if you remember episode 2, totally went up Chiha. Didn't have the camera charged at all because I'm not the sharpest light bulb in the toolbox. So we're gonna hang out here, snack, stand in the sun. Are you drinking another energy drink? We're finna be wound up.
Say it again.
Just crossed 3,000 miles earlier.
Yeah, dude. He's putting them on there. That's how you know you're a real fucking rider. Oh, dude, that's not good. Oh, never mind. I thought that car was smoking, but no, it turns out they're just doing a little fire. I highly encourage anybody that rides a motorcycle, especially if you live in Alabama, man, you got to come and check out Chiha, because this place is awesome to ride. You got really nice curves, nice scenery. There's overlooks. That's not a good overlook though. You can't really see shit. I mean, hell, you're barely up the mountain at all. Riding motorcycles, history, or just, you know, really in it for good sceneries and good drives, man, Chiha's got what you need. It's got a little bit of everything. What's up? I'm confused. What are we talking about here? I've got no idea what he was trying to tell me.
All right, we're out here at the first overlook. You see all the bikes. I don't know why I always choose to park so far away from everybody else. I guess that's where the whole stray away thing comes from. I am not a smart person. I'm just gonna run across the street. I'm gonna walk all lackadaisical like though. But yeah, y'all can see this. Check it out. That's the fucking view right there. That is it. I hope it shows up on camera pretty well, and if it doesn't, well, that's just more reason for you to ride up Chiha and see it yourself. Yeah, hell yeah, guys. See what I'm saying? Chiha is the place for motorcycles. Like I said, motorcycles, nature lovers, history buffs. There's a little bit of something everywhere up here for you. Oh, here's even better. Yeah, check all that out. The world is a gorgeous place. All right, enough of that. We're gonna get back on the bikes and go ride.
Welcome to Chiha. I think it's this way. Nope, it's that way. Shit. Oh, hey, look, I got us in the right place.
Says no bicycles. They didn't say anything about motorcycles though.
Definitely no Sportsters.
Well, it's a good thing I have a Bolt. Sean, how does it feel to be on the mountain?
It feels good, brother.
Hell yeah. That's pretty neat. You know what, the boardwalk's fun. Anybody can walk the boardwalk, but can anybody walk the ground walk? Huh? Yep. Young and spry, in the woods, on a mountain. Yes, even though it's kind of out in the open. We're like in the more open thick of it now. Okay, you know what? I'm starting to realize why the boardwalk was made, because this is like very kind of shitty terrain.
It's okay, we're born in nature.
Wait, would you say that this is a rocky road? All right. Now, here we are, finally, at the rock ledge that we're not going to be able to jump down. Wait, yeah, we can. This is the reason I wanted to come up here.
Dude.
See what I'm saying?
Insert. I believe I can fly montage right here.
I don't know if we can use an R. Kelly song on the channel. I don't know. I feel
Is
a
that
little.
R. Kelly?
I believe I can fly.
Yeah.
I think that is R. Kelly. Someone leave a comment down below and tell us if I Believe I Can Fly is an R. Kelly song. Because if it is, yeah, it's a no-go. And if it isn't, then I don't know what the fuck I'm thinking. Such a nice and mysterious. Sean, please don't fall.
Your dad said, get your ass up here. You went far enough. You ain't paying no more that doctor.
Dude, that is like, hold up, let me get a picture of you on that one. That's,
Your mama.
dude, that is nice. Along with the beautiful view at Bald Rock, we also have the literally, the highest point in the state of Alabama. And if I'm not mistaken, this building was built by the Civilian Conservation Corps. They cut all the stones to put it together and whatnot. And yeah, let's go see what's inside. Boom. Because I know at one point, I think I screwed up the elevation in episode 2, but it is 2,407 feet. Alabama's highest point. So if you get to the top of the tower and then smoke a joint, you are literally higher than the highest point. It's just like very ominous standing here looking up at it. because it's just like you keep waiting to see like a face come up to the window and be like,
I kept picturing that. I was like, oh, I'm waiting on like a little girl or something to just like look down.
I'm saying. All right, let's go in.
I can't remember what the villagers say. And Resident Evil 4, there's like one particular phrase they always say.
I hope it's not too dark for the camera.
Somebody turn on the light.
Nah, it'll be fine. If it doesn't turn out good, then, well, that's the part where I just put one of those little words at the bottom of the screen saying, sorry.
This here's where I thought I was in decent shape and my legs are already burning.
We're not getting old, we just make bad life choices. If it's drinking and smoking and being a degenerate, I'm all over it. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool.
Oh man, it feels good up here too with that wind blowing.
Drops the camera. See, this right here is a cannon, so you can take motherfuckers out. I like it. Even has like a iron sight on it for some reason. Like, why would you need this? It's a pretty good view.
Not so bad back here too. YouTube, anybody out there?
Harley.
If you're thinking about getting a bike,
See what I'm saying? I didn't even have to, I didn't stress it enough in the episode where you should ride. This coming from the man himself who literally started riding, what,
6 months ago.
6 months ago, and he's already telling you to get a bike.
Get a bike.
Need I say more?
I didn't think I could do it. I was not gonna lie, I got on it and I was pretty scared. I was like, oh crap, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna kill myself. But then all of a sudden I was started going. Now I freaking love it.
Yeah, and I've been riding for next to 10 years, and I still get on it, and I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. But that's the fun part, right?
Yeah, that's part of the fun, yeah.
Time for a Sprite and chilling for a little bit. So I'm gonna cut the recording because I'm kind of tired of holding the camera right now. Be back in a sec.
And after this long commercial break, where it's starting to get dark outside and about an hour and a half or so passed from the last time we saw each other, we are off the mountain and we are headed home. There is a dealership right over there, past all these little buildings on the other side of them, called Speed Zone. And let me tell y'all, that is the very first place I ever sat on and rode a Yamaha Bolt. And look at me now. Now, that's not where I bought this one. I bought this one in Georgia at Mountain Motorsports. Shout out to Mountain Motorsports for selling me my favorite motorcycle. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think that about wraps up today's video. Thank you for riding along with me yet again. It's been real and it's been fun, and goddamn, it has been real fun. So I will catch you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Sean, you're interrupting my outro. Y'all hit the like and subscribe button just for this man right here. Remember, y'all, no matter what you're doing, and no matter how you do it, it's okay to be astray. Peace out.